So, I was playing some Noita, you know, having a good run, pretty good time. Uh, these are the stats. Hold on, let me show you the seed in case you want to mess with this. You know, I don't know why. I got a decent digging one that I got from like the second level. I got a black hole one, not going to use in here. I don't want to piss off the gods. And then, shit, wrong button. I got, this wand. Pretty decent stats. Got it pretty early on, pretty lucky. I put on Reduce, Recharge twice, Spitter Bolt, and Spark Bolt. Let's see what it does. It's supposedly out of mana, but that's not stopping it from firing. Yeah, so it's pretty good.